problems like urban agglomeration, migration, and obviously population. We are suffering many problems, like towns are becoming unhealthy place to live. So what do you think? Is a sustainable town, is it possible?
Sustainability has two sides. One is the town which is sustaining the population which is residing into the town. That is one area of looking at the thing. And another is whether the town will be self-sufficient and whether the town will be environmentally accommodative to the changes in the environment and will continue remaining such. So, if we cannot stop the migration of the people, the growth of the cities, then sustainability is out of question. So, I said the city will grow and eventually it will die, it has to die. So, in that case we cannot sustain. But as far as the environmental issues are concerned, yes, when we design a city, when we make a city, when we plan for a city, we have to encroach upon the environmental issues. We cannot say that we design a city but that we have zero impact on the environment. There is always an impact on the environment, but that environmental impact assessment has to be done before planning, and if you can reduce the impact of environment, the drawbacks, then perhaps the life of the city would be elongated, even the life on this planet would be elongated for more than a few decades perhaps. So that's the issues, the little issues like, say for example, the carbon footprints of the cities could be reduced, the environmental degradation in the terms of pollution, maybe air pollution or water pollution could be reduced, the waste could be recycled, less dependency on electricity and petroleum products. All these issues could be brought up and the citizens should be aware of it so that they enjoy life without this also or with minimum usage of these also, which is an issue of sustainability. If I can afford, I can use petrol today. So if I use all the petrols of the world today, then even if I can afford, I cannot get petrol because it's a natural gift which is going to be dilapidated in a few years. What to do then? That is the big question. If we don't understand the problems which we will be facing for our overconsumption of natural resources, then this will create a problem. So to me, to make the city sustainable, it is not only a matter of city planners to think. It is a matter of the population of the whole world to think on how to make this planet a sustainable thing. It will come from the top to bottom and not from bottom to top. I mean, if I put off my electrical switches in my house, how much electricity is going to save? But if everybody does it, a lot of electricity is going to save. If everybody in the world does it, then huge amount of electricity would be saved. So we have to think in a holistic manner. I mean, not in a segmented or segregated pattern. So sustainability is issue of everybody, and whether it is ecological sustainability or geographical sustainability, even climatic sustainability, I mean. So all these sustainability should be joined together, and general people should be made conscious that do not waste. At least do not waste and consume less. So these are the two mantras which could be followed for sustainability. Otherwise, sustainability it will remain at the dictionary.